Hello and welcome back to our channel. You are watching 20 Best Essential Oils for Skincare, Part 4. And today we will share the 4th best essential oil for skin, that is, lavender oil. As per a study, lavender oil has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can reduce skin irritation, redness, and skin discoloration, restore your natural skin tone, and make it bright. Now, how you can use lavender oil for skincare. First of all, you will need 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil and 5 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Now, what you have to do is mix the oil with aloe vera gel. Apply it on the face, focusing on the affected areas. And finally, wash it off after 20 minutes. In order to get best results, you have to repeat this method once daily. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.